In the high-stakes world of motocross, every fraction of a second matters. With the 2026 edition of the FC 50 Factory Edition, Husqvarna has delivered a machine purpose-built to dominate. This isn't just a 450 cubic centimeters motocrosser, it's a finely tuned weapon for those who demand championship-level performance. Performance engineering sharpened. Right off the bat, the FC 50 Factory Edition sets the tone. The 449.9 cubic centimeters SOHC single, rated at roughly 59 pounds (26.8 kilograms), is positioned for mass centralization and agility. The result? Razor-sharp throttle response, refined anti-squat characteristics under hard acceleration, and the kind of composure that translates into faster lap times. But raw power is nothing without control, and this machine doesn't compromise. The front is anchored by WP XACT Pro 7548 cone valve forks, first time ever on this model, offering closed cartridge design and race-bred adjustability, compression, rebound, preload. Meanwhile, the WP XACT Pro 8950 rear shock lends serious capability via its SuperTrax bypass valve and link damping tech for faster rebound and better traction across rough terrain. Chassis work backs the hardware elegantly, a hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded steel frame finished in white powder coat for team aesthetics. The composite subframe, made of 60% polyamide and 40% aluminium, checks in at just 1.8 kilograms, 3.9 pounds, a testament to lightweight construction without compromise. Premium finish VE racing DNA. Visually and functionally, this bike screams factory team. You'll find a full titanium exhaust system from FMF, the Factory 4.1 RCT muffler as used in AMA Supercross competition, finished in blue anodized titanium with carbon fiber end cap. It's lighter, shorter, and engineered to centralize mass. The factory will set pairs black anodized Excel Takasago rims with CNC-machined hubs and high-quality spokes to reduce unsprung weight and sharpen handling. Add in CNC-machined triple clamps, with 20mm or 22mm offset options, a Pro Taper aluminium handlebar, and Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires with block-within-a-block design, and you have a tool built for competition. Bodywork is slim, ergonomic, and coated with in-mold graphics from the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna Factory racing team. The Guts Racing high-grip seat cover holds you tight under hard acceleration, while the slim profile lets you shift your body weight with ease. Cutting-edge electronics VE connectivity. In a departure from pure analog motocross traditions, the FC 50 Factory Edition plugs you into the future. The Integrated Connectivity Unit Off-Road (CUO) pairs with the Ride Husqvarna Motorcycles app to give you full control of engine maps, traction control, launch control, and quick shifter sensitivity, all via your smartphone. If you're purely a weekend rider content with standard equipment, this might be over the top. But if you're chasing podiums, time attacks, or simply demanding the best in both hardware and software, this bike delivers. The 2026 FC 50 Factory Edition doesn't just set the bar, it raises it. With premium components from fork to tire, ultra-refined chassis engineering, and deep digital integration, it offers that elusive factory advantage. For riders who can extract its potential, this is a weapon of choice.